Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use automatic tabs grouping in Safari on macOS 27. So first of all, we have to open the Safari web browser. Then to enable this feature, you have to tap on Safari in the top left corner, then select Settings. In Settings, you're gonna have to open Tabs. And then here the first option will be Organize Tabs. Now what you want to select is Automatically Create Topics. Then you just close the settings and start using your Safari web browser. From now on, all the tabs that the Siri AI will detect as related to each other will be basically grouped into separate topics, and this will make your browsing much easier. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.